Hello everyone, welcome to Dioma Kitchen where delicious creations begin. Today I'll show you how I prepared this yummy beans meal using these ingredients. Stay tuned. We start the cooking by pouring in the vegetable oil. Allow it to heat for about 30 seconds on medium heat. Then put the plantain and gradually fry until golden brown and set aside. In the same oil, put the chicken breast, fry for a minute, then add the black pepper, curry powder for flavor, chicken flavored seasoning powder and salt. Remember the beans is already salted, so be careful not to add too much salt. Fry for about a minute so that the seasonings can go into the chicken and the chicken will be sweet. This is a recipe every beans lover is supposed to try out, and when you try it out you love it, just leave a shout out to Dioma Kitchen. Yes, because I know that this recipe is delicious. Add the onions and garlic. Garlic is optional, but I add garlic in beans because I have noticed that it helps to reduce flatulence and bloating after eating the beans. You can add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic when boiling the beans, or if you are doing the stir fry method, you can add it to the stir fry. Add the fresh tomato, dry pepper, you can use fresh pepper, and the seasoning cubes. Fry for about a minute before adding the salted beans. Let there be some water remaining after boiling the beans, because this water is what is going to form the porridge. After you pour the beans, add the carrots and the cabbage. Then cover and cook for 2 minutes. This beans recipe is a recipe you will love because it has its unique flavor and taste. After cooking for 2 minutes, you open the pot, add the ripe fried plantain, and you turn. You turn the beans so that it's going to form until it forms the porridge. After turning, you cook for about a minute, then you cover the pot and it's ready to be served. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Dioma Kitchen for more delicious meals. Thanks for watching.